Today, we're baking refined sugar-free banana bread muffins that are naturally sweet, perfectly moist, and oh so delicious. Whether it's for breakfast, a snack, or a healthy treat, this recipe has you covered. Let's get started. Peel it open and put it in the bowl, please. I'm going to get a masher, okay?
Just squish them.
Yep. It's okay, I'll get it. Here's what you'll need. Ripe bananas, eggs, coconut oil, honey or maple syrup, whole wheat flour, baking soda, cinnamon, and a few optional add-ins like walnuts or dark chocolate chips. Oh my goodness, here. Look, this one's falling out. Oh no! Last one. Okay. Start by mashing your ripe bananas in a large bowl. Add in 2 eggs, melted coconut oil, honey or maple syrup, and a splash of vanilla extract. Mix until smooth. Good idea. Oh, try to keep it in the bowl.
What are those?
Pour that into there and mix it in.
Yeah.
So that's your maple syrup and your coconut. Look at that, it just slid right out, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, can you mix that up gently?
Almost. We're doing something good teamwork.
Okay. Just one or they got both of them?
They got both.
Okay, thank you. I'm gonna give you the eggs. Can you dump the eggs in? I got 2 eggs there for you to mix in. And then just use your spatula if you need to take all the egg out. break the yolks.
Yeah. Mommy, it's making it yellow.
A little bit. And dump the vanilla in. Thanks. Thank you, Kelly.
I need a lot of stuff.
Okay, can I see real quick?
I need a little salt.
You're gonna stir it while In a separate bowl, whisk
Actually,
together
I
your
stole it from
flour,
my ribs.
baking soda,
you
cinnamon,
have.
and a pinch of salt.
Yeah.
These dry ingredients will give
And I
structure
scoop
to
it.
our banana
I'll scoop
bread
it,
muffins.
You dump it.
Yeah.
There's 1 cup. I'm just holding it so you don't drop it in. Wait, can we sit though? This one?
I want you to do it. You do one, and I do two. Okay?
Okay.
Is it banana?
There we go.
Now
Perfect.
gently fold the dry ingredients
Now
into the banana mixture. Be careful not to overmix. We want our banana muffins soft and tender.
Yeah, we got to do the baking soda and the baking powder and the salt. So we need 2. Hold on. 2 of this one. 2 baking sodas.
I got 3 baking sodas.
Just 2.
A lot.
Wait. Hold on, I'm making sure I got the right one. Yep.
That's over.
The cinnamon.
Seven.
Dump it in.
And this.
Like
The
that.
these.
I see that. Alright. Stop. Don't touch it.
Just have it all the off.
And the salt. Alright. Stop. You need to stir it in now.
For an extra sweet treat, fold in some chopped nuts and or dark chocolate chips. Both are optional, but they add a delightful twist. Next, scoop your batter into your lined muffin tins and it's ready to bake. Bake at 350 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Let it cool slightly before diving in. And there you have it. Refined sugar-free banana bread muffins that are naturally sweet and absolutely delicious. Don't forget to grab the full recipe below in the description. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit that thumbs up button, subscribe for more wholesome recipes, and leave a comment telling me your favorite banana bread add-in. See you next time. Happy baking.